I believe in setting the tone. I believe that words have the power to set the atmosphere for your day. Hello? If you come in and say, we're going to have a horrible day, you're going to have a horrible day.
Tonight, you did an excellent job. You were very inspiring to our students as well as the adults, and we just want to thank you, and we want you to come back again.
This is Dr. Felder, school counselor at Cross Elementary, and I'm here to tell you that Mr. B, Anthony Broughton, is a must-see.
Thank you so much for giving your time and your talent with us. Wasn't he awesome with our children?